Hi all, this is Bhuneshwari from Verizon. I have chosen the track Technology Driving Social Impact, and my topic is Krishi Raj with Technology, meaning farmers ruling with technology. Agriculture is the backbone of our country, a fact taught to us since childhood. 56.6% of our Indian population is either in agriculture or in allied activities. India is the second largest producer of several agricultural products. With 130 crores of population, India has a huge market for the products produced, and we also export a lot. Yet, how's the life of the farmers working there? It's mostly uncertain, very painful. So, I tried to take a survey with around 80 farmers to understand the challenges in farming. And the three major issues that came up are water supply, labor, and price fluctuation. Water supply is something related to environment, and there are also plans to link our rivers. Labors is something that could be addressed to a certain extent with automated machines, and also if farmers have a good lifestyle, they could hire laborers with decent salary. So I left out those two, and I am focusing only on the price fluctuation. 45% of the times it's the price of vegetables that fluctuated a lot, and the survey shows that the reason for those are marketing agent, change in demand, and over cultivation of the same crop. So I tried to build a solution for this by building an app called Krishi Raj. This app will have the features to recommend which crops could be cultivated based on the demand and supply, and also interface with the market for the best price of these products. And all this shall be narrated to the farmers in their native language. So in my solution, I have chosen three data points: crop, demand, and supply. So when we say crop, we will have IoT sensors installed on the farmer's land, which would sense the soil's fertility, understand the water content, and do a weather forecast. And this information would be sent to the Krishi Raj app, where we do a pattern matching to find which all crops could be grown there. Then, in terms of demand, the Agriculture Product Development Authority would have the history of the sales that were done in the previous years, and also the leading marketing agents, and eventually the Krishi Raj app will also have the history of the sales that were done in the previous years. So we send this information, and we apply data science on those and do a predictive analysis to forecast the demand for these crops once they are harvested. In terms of supply, currently, the village administrative officer maintains a record of the crops that are cultivated by each farmer in their village. So we get that information, and also eventually the Krishi Raj app itself would be knowing the supply by knowing the crops cultivated by the farmers. So we use all these three data points and write an AI algorithm that provides a recommendation for the farmers that which crop they could grow, what would be the risk percentage involved, and what would be the yield per hectare. With this information, the farmers would be able to choose the best crop for them, and they would also have an interface to the market that shows them the best nearest market available based on the geological location, and from where they could get the best price. And with all this information, the problems would be resolved, and the benefits would be there would be a good demand versus supply, there would be a standardized income for the farmers, helping them in their livelihood, and there will be good market price, and also the export would increase. Thank you.